Hello and welcome to our flip video lesson, Mapping 4.16. Our 4.16 details are Human Odyssey reading pages 141 to 147. This reading is a little bit more to do with wrapping up this unit than just geography and mapping. So when you read through it, you're going to notice it's a kind of a culmination of everything in this unit. Student Guide Workbook pages 139 to 141. Your OMS assignment, there's no assessment today. Super exciting about that, right? And then about the topic, mapping and geography. So our objectives for today, review geographic concepts of place and region, and then use maps to gain information on Asia. Lesson introduction, mapping. Maps can help us understand civilizations. Maps contain information about the land itself, information that may help us to understand how people lived long ago and how they live today. You have just studied several important civilizations. Now we will review the geographic concepts of place and region as they relate to those civilizations. So we studied, ancient Egypt, ancient Mesopotamia, the Indus Valley, ancient China. So we're going to go ahead and talk about some of those. So your student guide questions, let's just do a quick check. This was on your lesson for yesterday, but do make sure that you have these student guide pages filled in. If you do not, you can use some time today to pause this video and fill them in, or you can fill them in, on your own with your own thoughts as well. And then just check back on these. So you can pause these slides or go to your OMS and look at the lessons there. Now you're going to turn to page 139 in your student guide. So we will review this section in class, so you want to make sure you have your student guide and your book ready for today. So this activity is a focus on geography. We're not going to complete this lesson during the flip video. I just wanted to go over the questions briefly to give you an overview, and then as I said, this will be done in class together. So you're going to look at these questions and then you're going to use your book to find some of the answers. And then also today during class, we're going to look at a lesson in your OMS, examining culture. So please make sure that you do have your OMS logged up and ready to go. You have your student guide book and you have your reading book ready for class today. So again, just to recap, your reading pages 141 to 147. Important vocabulary words, you won't need to know these for an exam because there isn't an exam, but you will need to know it for your activities today. Biome is an area classified according to the species that live in that location. Semi-arid is climate characterized by light rainfall. Sparse means thinly scattered or distributed. And a steppe is an extensive plain, especially one without trees. And our quote for today, all movements go far. And just a quick recap, I know this is a little bit different of a flip video lesson. Please make sure you join me in class today, or if you're an asynchronous learner, you're going to want to complete the lessons in your student guide, and then you can check back for the answers tomorrow. They will be posted. Thanks so much for joining me today. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Have a great day.